Kyle Mouse with an update on your forecast, and we have winds of change for our Sunday. It will be a windy day, those steady winds around 20 to 30 miles per hour with occasional gusts of 30 to 50. So if you've got any patio furniture out already or any loose items, make sure that those are secure here as we go through our Sunday and not blowing down the street. As we check out your Sunday afternoon, it will be seasonably cooler than what we had on Saturday. Middle 50s north to lower 60s around Bloomington and Columbus. And those temperatures are going to get a little cooler heading into the week ahead. In fact, by Tuesday, temperatures won't be making their way out of the 40s, but it's just a quick little reprieve of temperatures. We're back into the 50s and even 60s by the end of the week with another chance for showers on Friday.